Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord remote battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1616 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Let's get started and restore your remote's full functionality with ease. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the remote. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the screwdriver. The two halves of the casing should separate with a soft click. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic housing. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR1616 battery. Now, take your new CR1616 battery and insert it into the holder, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, confirming it's securely closed. Then, test all the remote's functions to ensure everything works perfectly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and more. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your remote working like new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.